Few more viewers. I want at least a few more viewers coming. I lie down on my bed before I go to school. But just at least want two more viewers because I want to share that live here because that live here go serious because you know me kind of put on them something I kill this is me kind of put on them fuckery. I don't do them fuckery periodly. Me don't have no time for this. Yeah? Too busy. So me get some information. Randy, me be gonna share the live, share it, you understand? Because I forgot talk up some vicious things and some girl I forgot see me and lick me. Yeah, me done with them something. I me live on them fucker. Me don't have time for this. Yeah, but me get one live say Afi. Oh, hold on there. Yeah, anyway, me get for understand say Afi, Lulu and Jeremy did have a lot to say about me. Yeah? When them say my fridge empty, my tea food and go to prison. Nasty Jeremy Nasty Lalakwa, more somebody more I mean not take the life, me not go delete the life, I want it, stay want it. Nasty Lalakwa, me got jail. Me not like do no about me over here. I'm a miserable unhappy. Me got jail. When me get time for God jail for thieving food, I'm a travel so often. Every fucking weekend me there somewhere. Me there somewhere every weekend. When me get time. You understand? We ain't no blood clean Batman. We ain't no Batman. We ain't no me not ready yet for talk, man. Me just want them share the life because I want the people and get it. Because I'm not black Afi, you know. Me delete her from my profile. So I'm not black her. So I want she get it. I want Lalakwa want them get it. Because I'm not delete them. Yeah? Them say me have bead na my bottom and who fuck me and talk. Lalakwa, you can't bring man argument to me, Lalakwa, because no man no want you. Yeah, the only man want is a cokehead and an Alton. Alton are the only man who they do want you, Lalakwa. And a me blood clot refuse Alton. When Alton a come to me, boy, want fucking Alton a sniff the blood clot coke. Eh? Yeah. Lulu, take out in your mouth. Me can't hear you. Me can't hear Lulu. You're dumb. Lulu, me only now go argue. Because my leg of them something. Dirty Afi your face one beat good. Afi you go up on live and I go comment. Afi you know for find me. So if you have a fucking problem with me, you know for find me. Afi you know for find me. Stay about dirty. Afi you know where to find me. You know for find me if you want. Afi you know say you're not 15. You're not 13. You want something better for do. When it's long I depend life I don't me. I don't me now. Dirty people, nasty Lalakwa. You can't bully me. You can't run in pan blood clot me, Lalakwa, like you're running pan them. You can't bully me down. Nasty Lulu, heavy tongue Lulu, you can't frighten me. Strong back Lulu, you can't frighten me. Nasty Afi, dirty stay bad frozen mouth Afi, you can't. We are talk about? Me tea food and go to prison. And go to jail. Me only know the same thing. Afi me do the same thing. No camera no have up no blood clot picture with me. Afi. No camera no have up no store no have up no picture with me. Me no come on TV. With no teeth in blood clot food. Afi, how dare you? Oh, you calling Batman? Calling, come in enough to do this, you know, come never really do them something, you know. Yeah,
Mr.
Batman.
Sean, I see him say, she see him on a post me. She got blood clot comment on him on a post and I got tag Alia. And her face ever want to do good. Her face never beat good yet. I'm a thief, good things are foreign.
She's a fucking blood clots. She's a fucking lizard trap in one turtle body. I want the Afi.
Anytime I come after there, Afi can't drag me like how she drag the girl in the train station or the subway. Afika drag, but she see Imani post me and she go comment and I go tag Alia, girl, my teeth better things than yeah, Alia, so one go post me, one go comment and talk about my teeth good things better than yeah, Alia. That suit them me gonna start go teeth it and it now go back. Me now go buy it.
Wait a Batman, them say my house empty. Me have a house. Jeremy no live no blood clot way. I fi never live no way, cause Craig give up the blood clot house. I fi have some if you sleep. So make me talk now, cause you want me blood clot talk. Jeremy when I live, Jeremy no sleep down, man can call blood clot coach Miguel. Jeremy no come Amsterdam come seek asylum in a girl blood clot house. Me no seek asylum in a girl house, me did on my own. Jeremy no sleep down Trinidad blood clot floor. I will talk up Lala blood clot Lulu where I tongue heavy like blood clot England spread. Lulu you can only address me so when I talk about meeting German store band uno, office store band uno, no blood clot store have my picture. Me to all me travel often, all me for their blood clot jail. Last week me did their blood clot bro. The weekend I me just come from Antwerp. Last week me did there, bro. So the week before me got apart. So all me forget time for got blood clot jail. Me work 4 days of the week and me got school 3 days of the week and the rest me fuck and all the things that me demand them with all up a man them have about. Yes, so me no trouble, you know.
Them ever worry about people and the whole of them will worry about me, the whole of them older than me and the whole of them they are foreign before me. Me is a little young little girl. Me a only girl, them a big man for me, so while them sit down for my name, I wonder when me who are who are where.
I go send me a problem in my bottom. Lala you send for a man who never fuck you. Rasco never fuck you yet. And you send for Rasco, you pay Rasco bills. Rasco never fuck you. Rasco.
But Sean, wait now.
Rascal lean up in my bed and I me put it and me tell Rascal say listen relationship and me now but Lalakwa when I forgot beat me come in afraid no only for the life me never do not Lalakwa me never disrespect you you know Lulu me never disrespect you so could Afi me never disrespect you know me on no talk I'm all my own I'm go my blood clot ways and I eat that me no walk and make problem with people you know Lalakwa you go talk about my bottom of beating night your bottom on a beating night and guess what the 3 man that me know you have me take them. Me refuse Alton, cokehead Alton. Me tell
But girl, but wait a Sean, hold on there. So if a girl want to beat in her bottom, a good girl have beat in her bottom, you must look presentable, but man want to fuck you rapidly and constantly want to fuck you. And must some man supply you. Yeah. Them not the beat kind of man who want to go with them, the man that lie down with them.
Wait a Batman. Lala Kwa, you go talk about beating in my bottom. Land do you Canada. Land where you walk and tell me say I did your man. The boy tell me say Yan him never there. Him give you a one for come. Me and Lando did there. You send for Rasco come a far Lalakwa. Remember, me could start talk things now, Lalakwa. Me could start talk things now. Lalakwa, you send for Rasco come a far and Rasco never fuck you. Rasco lie down in my bed. Rascal I don't know my bed, you buy one Gucci shoes you do over bed. So since you don't want to talk house business, make me talk out. You buy 600 shoes, you sleep out mark and call blood clot couch. Eh? Let we talk.
Yeah.
Let we talk.
And people, put them with the, people put them bag of them blood clot doorway and tell them leave. People put bag of them doorway and tell them for blood clot leave them ever in a people argument or ever in a people business. And the whole of them were class with the whole of them nice so that me are pretty and me are flawless so that me and them full of gas sticks. So what do me so? Girl, them always are talking about wait no Sean, wait now. Wait, on, Sean. Them ever tell me something ugly? Did I tell a girl to wash them face with the rice water? I never tell a girl to wash them face with the rice water. They wash them face with the rice water, so them always are gonna see me.
Miss Batman, I feel to find me. Say, I feel it hear me say something about her, and I feel come from one community. Yes, if I feel it hear me say something about her, I feel it on my blood clot Snapchat. So if you can come text me and say, Sean, yes, suck about me or whatever, I'm gonna like it. I mean, I say, if me offend you or whatever, sorry, I'm not say, but you depend live a blood clot text me, you and your stay bad too. Because Lalakwa stay bad. Lalakwa, we are the one, me they are 3 years and from Lalakwa, they are 5 blood clot. Yes,
and I be ugly shoes them wear. And I be ugly shoes them blood clot wear.
Lalakwa, me say,
I feel the older girl, me say support gay pride before gay pride even come.
Batman, wait now. Lalakwa me come here. Me know Lalakwa have one white shirt. And the white she wear the white shirt till it cream the blood clot. And the last year Lalakwa change her shirt to a brown shirt. And then she change her shoes to a red shoes. And that she wear the red shoes every blood clot way. Me not have to walk and teeth close and food like a blood clot come have a 95. I don't need to have a 95 come have 3 man. Me have Michael Fanlingin, me have a next blood clot liar man, and me have a next man, me have a Wally man, and me have a father, and me have a blood clot family. Dirty stinking Affy will fuck 3 friends. Affy will buy 1 blood clot boy. Will buy Dylan 1 jacket for 400 blood clot that are in a debts. After you can't talk to blood clot, me go clean up the blood clot boot where you take, where you buy blood clot jacket for dirty Affy. So make me start talk. Cause you go like when you want to get further, you know. But tell them to leave me alone. But tell them to leave me alone and they pan life of disrespect. When they pan life of disrespect. After you did know, you know for find me. After you know for find me. After you can't, when you can't bully me. Me live a lily start. Me there Amsterdam every weekend. So if you don't want to find me, you know for find me. Yeah? After you know for find me. Dirty stinking Lalakwa. Lalakwa, you say my bottom of beef. Lalakwa, how much man tell you say bottom of beef? No man no want you. You put your hand up in a blood clot, Lalakwa. Because Raphael run left your nasty blood clot. Lalakwa, man stop run and hide from you. Man stop run and chuck on the blood clot bust you. Stinking mouth, Lalakwa. And every tongue Lulu. We had Lulu talk out in your mouth because when you attack the girl them can't hear your blood clot. Alright. We are get somewhere, don't it? We're getting somewhere. Me never trouble you know, me Lego them suck me, you know. Me mind my own business, so me stay far from you know. Me not go nowhere. Me not mix with you know. Me not do the me not in a nothing with you know. I only depend life I call me. You know for find me. So if me have a problem, if you have a problem with me, you know for find me. Don't it? I want to make sure you and Chris are friends. So if you have a problem, you can find Chris, right? Lala come me tell you something. You can't bully me. Lala come and up in Amsterdam no blood clot. Amsterdam 8 you know. Amsterdam 8 you know. Don't say Lala come can't read from back way. Nasty frozen mouth Affy. Stinking blood clot Lulu. Anyone see me have to lick me on my face cause guess what? Me not afraid down. Dirty Lulu we can't hold a man. Lulu walk and pay man for fuck her in a blood clot. Lulu no pay. When you walk and buy when you pay blood clot young boy for fuck you know. When you walk and pay young boy for fuck you know in a blood clot. Nasty stinking frozen Lulu. Lulu where foot bigger and her head blood clot bigger is a girl. Every tongue nasty blood clot. Dead dog Lulu. Lalakwa, when a man no want. When a man now fuck, the only man want is blood clot, Alton, cockhead, rotten box, Alton want. That is the only man want. You notice me don't trouble no. When you leave me a blood clot alone. Lalakwa, the only man who want here, the only man who want to Raggy never want you, Lalakwa. Lalakwa, Raggy didn't want you. Yeah? Raggy didn't want you. Landa never want you. And the one where you sent for over here, when named Rascal never want you. So since we are talk secret now, I could start talk secret. Since you don't want to send my fridge empty, me never invite no girl and me yard come in and go no girl yard. So me don't only come with a story about my fridge empty. And my God, me get lack of the teeth in food. Like that is so fucking hilarious. Really? Really, me get lack of the teeth in food when me never got jail from me come here yet. Me no know police station look from me come here. Must see one time I go police station and when my wallet did last time I have to go report it. Yeah? That's the only time I go police station. Hey, me tell you something now. When I do my life, I'm do my life. Cause guess what? Me not afraid. I wanna know me live. Me live a little start. I'm a guy at the gym 4 days of the week. So guess if you don't want to meet up and run up on beaches and do the things them, when you can't meet me, or when you buck up on the street, when you just run up. When you just run up, Lalakwa when I have a bed, when I go talk about house empty. Lalakwa, you own a bed at Amsterdam? Lalakwa, do you own a bed at Amsterdam? Lalakwa, you don't own a bed at Amsterdam, so only for the pan life I don't me. If you have a problem, if you did have a problem with me, you know if you find me. My Facebook open, text me and mud me. But no, no one jump on the eating count the things so only think with the carefree. Lalakwa, where you go say man fuck me and come back, come talk? Man supposed to come back, come talk. My skin clean. Me look nice. Me have everything. All my fridge for empty and me travel so often. Affy, stop where the birds are 404 by your blood clot face. Affy, stop where the birds are paint by your face. Kite not fit you. Affy, girly things not fit your blood clot. Affy, Bigfoot, Affy, girly things don't fit you. Me never trouble you, you know. After you know it for find me. But no, you want wait name, you want jump on a train. After you know where to find me. Because my Instagram is there. After you dip on my Instagram, stay bad after you dip on my Instagram. But you want comment, but what? What it said Jonathan said my fridge empty. Jonathan supposed to say my fridge empty. Jonathan did say me own me never want talk some things to the people boy pick the talk. We not go talk but man, we not supposed to bring man argument to me. Cause I know say me and me say all the man them and the man them say me. Me not lonely. Like I feel an up in a blood clot in Amsterdam because you walk and buy down man and buy man. You're the first young batty man will come to Amsterdam and just a fuck like that. So I feel fuck 3 blood clot trying you buy Dylan one $400 blood clot jacket and Dylan still not look for you. Dylan still no want you. And all you go I feel no man no want you every day pan Snapchat. Oh me single. I feel no man no want you. I feel the Amsterdam over here and up in a blood clot and walk and pay man for fuck you. Lulu walk and pay man for fuck her from now till a morning. Hey make me talk no man. Lulu will make me walk and buy fuck no blood clot on the young. On the young or not pay man for fuck you. How can that be possible? How can that be possible? Jermaine, every man will me know you take run left you. Jermaine, Lalakwa, Raphael run left you. I know you left Raphael. Raphael run left you in a blood clot go married on white man. Raphael run left you Lalakwa. Alton put you out. You go sleep down Mark and Carl couch. Me never sleep on a girl couch. Not even me there Jamaica. Yeah? You send for blood clot Rasco. And Rasco still never blood. Rasco never fuck you. Or if you send for a man who never fuck you. Or if you send for a man we may never take yet. Eh? I'm not gonna bring man argument to me. I mean never know them man predicaments there. Eh? Una boss secrets on me. My boss blood class secret. Rasco never fuck you. Rasco said he didn't fuck you, Lalakwa. And you buy blood clot Gucci shoes. You don't wanna be there. You got una problem with me and my empty fridge. My fridge supposed to empty because I travel every blood clot weekend. Every week, every 2 weeks, me there's summer. Me hardly there in my yard. From work to school. Then as Friday come, me gone. So my fridge supposed to empty. And my mother have all for kids them in Jamaica. So my fridge I'm supposed to empty. Lalakwa, you don't own a bed in Amsterdam. You don't own a couch. Because the whole in the pack up in a people house now. Blood clot. Lalakwa, you come to Amsterdam, come see Castle. And you sleep down Mark and call. For about 3 years, you sleep down Mark and call couch for. Or if you talk to me, I never come to Amsterdam, come sit down on a girl couch. Dirty Lalakwa. I never sleep down no girl couch. Lalakwa, you sleep down my cankal clothes, floor no blood clot. And when them want fuck them, when them want fuck them, I tell you say, Lalakwa, go away and come back. No boy and no girl never tell him for go away and come back, Lalakwa. No boy and no girl never tell him for come back dirty, Lalakwa. When they on Instagram, when they on internet, a blood clot full people go like when I live. When I live no blood clot life. When I live no life. When I live no life. When I unhappy no blood clot. After under 25, after take 3 friends, after walk a pay man for fucker. Cause me never buy a boy, me never buy the dear something never buy one boy Michael and I buy Michael one shoes for him birthday and I did 100 and something euro me buy it for. And I am birthday. Me never buy no more, me never buy one boy something that will pass 100 and something dollar.
Good you come right blood clot out.
Right out. Right out.
You come out.
From dirty right out. How would a child annoy me? You don't take after you see the birth of 404 where after your face no fix good. You see eyebrow them want fix good. When a child live in a girl shadow no blood clot. After you don't have an identity. You walk back at your cousin you see I run him and run left you. After you see you have the dirt bag out to the whole of the girl them over. After you see the shit shock over the corner, you take 3 friends. Me take a whole heap of friend, but guess what? Me take good friend. Me never buy after take a rent buy boy jacket. Talk to me now. Lalakwa we don't own a bed, so we go talk about fridge. We go talk about my fridge, and a girl, no girl never come on my yard yet. So we go talk about girl come on my yard. We go talk about come on my yard and my fridge empty. How can that be possible? Me can't call my name. Me can't call 5 names per me and come on my yard. And una know that them 5 people enough friends. So how that possible? Lalakwa you go say me have bead in my bottom. Like all the man me know you when me know where you take, run left you. How one man me know you want you like one is a cokehead. And the cokehead man that tell me if you come with me and him got the son the same night when Yan him did war a Vicky party pan blood clot in a Amsterdam city when we got a Vicky party and Yan him catch up or him I go tell me if you come a son of them. I say alternate Chris me I go home to me nice clean man. Altan make you gonna sana Altan pop out the blood clot crack and take the pipe, the crack pipe and light it up. Lalakwa. So, oh, if you talk, Raphael run left you. Raphael run left you. All of the money me know run left you. You send the boy come a friend and never fuck you yet. The boy never fuck you. Lalakwa, me never buy me never give a boy $1 yet we never grind. We me and him never grind. Furthermore, me never mind a man from the day me born. No boy can't tell us me never mind them. Me never give them not even taxi fare come in and have it. Me not have it. Me I look at myself. Me drink look a Capri Sun coming done. We don't know. Like you don't realize the phone crew are the most hated blood clad people in Amsterdam. Nobody in Amsterdam not like you know. Dirty Lalakwa finger them a badar. Yeah, it's a cockage today. How much o'clock now? 2 o'clock? It's a cockage to take. It's a cockage there with. I mean, I tell like good cockhead and the cockhead man that look me. I'm gonna tell him say I'm gonna take cocaine and furthermore if I take one cocaine, you know up to the standard, I'm refuse him. And I'm more than one arm and them I refuse. More than one arm and them I run left far and she put in a blood clot. Lalakwa fix under your sucker your mouth stink. Lulu take out when in your mouth because we cannot hear ya. We cannot hear. Lulu we can't hear when you talk. Lulu for your girl your tongue heavy. Lulu for your girl your tongue heavy we can't hear. Afe, wash off the birds of 404 where you put by your face every blood clot there because you don't realize it. You're a fucking lizard trapping a something else body. When you argue with me, when you argue with me, I'm nicer than the whole of me. Nicer than you Lalakwa, I'm nicer than you Afe, I'm nicer than you blood clot Lulu and man and woman fan put together. Or when the fridge empty, my belly still full, I'm still a put on weight. So all the fridge for empty, I'm put on weight. Me own a fridge. Jermaine, do you own a fridge? Jermaine, do you own a fridge? No, you don't own a fridge, Jermaine. Jermaine, you do not own a fridge. You don't realize that people really don't fucking like you. Jermaine, you don't own a fridge. Do you own a fridge in Amsterdam, Jermaine? No? Yeah, Jermaine, there are people here that sleep on couch. The last time you check it, you go back to alternate because Mark and Carl and you never go work on the couch with for 2 years. Jermaine, talk to me nice. Talk to me sweet. Me did put on them something, you know. But you don't go on live. If you have a problem with me, you didn't know if you find me. But no, you want jump on wagon, and you want and Jonathan say, and Jonathan said, Jonathan did say your mouth stink, and him couldn't fucking at the dirty house with a little bed. No, me say so. Lalakwa. Rasco say him never want to case. Rasco say him never want to come sexually attracted to you. That's why him never fuck you. But him use it for buying plane ticket. Talk to me nice. Me never buy a boy a plane ticket for go foreign yet. Never. Worst me no know him. Lalakwa. Oh, you fear argue with me about man problem. When you walk and buy man. When you walk and pay for man travel no blood clot. Me never pay for one boy. Me never give one boy $100 yet come in and have it. Stinking bread Lulu. Me have a whole heap of secret. Me have a whole... Listen to me, Nicole. Leave me alone. Have a nice night. Yeah? Have a nice night. Dear lady, have a nice night. Can I go make me bust a black pan you? Never hold a file you know. When I go wait till you retaliate them, I drop back pound or blood clot again. You understand? Because I never trouble you know. I never do nothing. I never say nothing bad about you know. When you know if a blood clot find me. When you know for find me, dirty stinking Afe, you know for find me, but you want to jump on bagwagon and go talk about who say from who say Afe me say you're ugly. Afe if you want turkle, if you want dead blood clot, turkle, nasty Afe. Lulu your mouth stink. No man no fuck on Lulu, you walk and pay fuck now. You walk on the Amsterdam and buy fuck now blood clot. Afe, Afe you want to jump on bagwagon so me rub you out too. Cause you want jump on back wagon, so I rub you out to Afe. Cause you want jump on back wagon, whether you want have good or bad for say, you know where to find me. Dirty Afe, you know for find me. the dirt truck a blood clot Tower Hill, you know for find me. Dirt Affy, the dirt truck from Tower Hill, you know for find me. Don't it? You didn't know for find me. You did on my Snapchat. So if you did have something to say to me, you know for find me, Affy. Me say, Affy stay bad. German, from you know, German have one button shirt, one white button shirt, and one white jeans pants. But me there 3 years and German, Lalakwa wear out the white pants and the white shirt till the color turn blood clad cream. Talk to me nice. Nasty Lalakwa. You say no man no want me. Man want me. Me there, from a come, me hold on one man and me still hold him down till now. And me have 2 other one. So clearly something wrong. Clearly something wrong then. Don't it? Me tell them, me leave them something and me don't them video something and not go see me and gang me and beat me. I don't know, so no see me gang me and beat me. It now go done. It now go done. Cause me never trouble no. Me never trouble. Nicole, what is bumper clap? Bumper clap mean your ass. Stop annoying me now. Your ass it mean. You know, say Affy, when they pan live at this, because you know, me put on them something, I say, you know what? Facebook live and truth in an argument or something I kind of done with. Me I get too old for that. But Affy, you know, for find me. You depend on my Snapchat, yeah? May you have mutual contact. So if me have something, if you did have something to say to me, Affy, you know, for say it to me. Look what. You want people when me and them talk. So if you have a problem with me, you know, for find me. But clearly you want to tell me say no man no want me. But Lalakwa, no man no want you neither because all the man who me know refuse you. You buy Rascal one plane ticket and Rascal still never look at Rascal. I don't know my bed and tell me that. Alright, your Rascal never fuck your Rascal. Rascal do the things them to me nice clean body. So guess what, when you see me, you have to lick me for that. You have to lick me for that, Jeremy, and you have to lick me. Rascal do the things them to my body. Rascal do the things them. Rascal never fuck you, but you send for your man. We never look upon you. You say, we say now, who say my fridge empty? My fridge supposed to empty because when them did come here, them eat down everything, so I take out the grocery them. Them never tell us, I take out the grocery, I take out all the meat, them carry them go over my neighbor. But can a girl now come eat me down? Since you don't want to talk them. Lalakwa, you go send me no own a bed? Wait, no, Lalakwa, you send my fridge. Which one on the send my fridge empty? Anyone to the Toronto? After you don't own a fridge? You don't own anything. After Craig did own a whip a second and furniture them at the house. And Craig move out, get the house after. Where you talk say now? Talk say now, no? Talk to me now. Lulu, me can't hear when you talk. Me did hear the look recording because some of the record it and saying it, but Lulu, me can't hear because your mouth. Something in your mouth. I can't Jermaine, you don't own nothing. Cause you sleep down Mark and Carl couch. You come to Amsterdam, come see Casalum pan girl couch. Mark and Carl couch do have no me because it's you, Jermaine, because of you. And you buy Gucci shoes, the boy say you buy Gucci shoes and you don't own a bed. And you want a relationship. So when I go talk about me a man problem. Me not have no man problem in Amsterdam. Me not have no man problem in Amsterdam. Me can pick, choose and refuse man when me ready. Me can pick, choose and settle down and married with two man when me ready. Cause me nice. Me never trouble you know. You know if you find me. You know if you find me if you have a problem with me. Cause me now walk and make trouble. You walk and chat girl and me walk and chat girl too. You chat me and me chat on no blood clot. Lulu take off the big boot off of your foot. Lulu will walk and remember said remember now John Q public said no the boy will take the first burst money get talk. The boy will take the first burst money get talk. Me argue with me deal with me kind of calm now because I just drink one Capri Sun out of the empty fridge with Germany say me have. With Germany don't own a basket at Amsterdam. Germany don't own a basket. No have to say me and lick me. I remember say me no afraid now. No. Remember say me no afraid now. No, me live a Lily Start. I'm a got the gym right in the center. I can't take me live ik woon 23 Skelderstraat, Lelystad. You understand? And that's how I live. You can find me. And if you don't find me in my yard or in a Lelystad, you can come to some festival in Amsterdam and find me. Because I kind of give the Batty Street a big break. But guess what now? I go come out full now. I go come out full now. Dirty Affy. I never trouble you. I never have none. Affy you see you live in a one girl shadow. You live in a 3 dirty girl shadow. The whole crown in the live now we are blood clot and unhappy and miserable and trying to walk and sleep down girl cut chink and lice around for bite upon a blood clot. What is it, Chris? Chris, I don't know why. I really don't know what is going on. But me get one recording with them with Lulu, Jermaine, Nasty Jermaine
Why?
Me get one recording said Lulu and Jermaine after the pan live I done me.
So why? But people will always talk.
Well, that is true, but guess none of them a make up friction, say me thief, them a make up story, say me thief food and get locked up.
And so?
Yeah, but really, Chris, me thief food now.
But so?
And get locked up. Lala say my fridge empty.
And so?
Or one of them say
And so?
I don't own a couch.
And so?
I mean, shouldn't even depend life and argue them dodgy people, you know.
Precisely so.
Shouldn't depend life and argue them. Why me make the people them gas me up though, Father Jesus?
This is what I'm saying.
Anyway, I don't know why we let the people them gas me up.
Because we talk about this already. I don't know why you're doing it.
I may have so much dignity up on my Facebook. I'm my husband up on my Facebook.
And you're giving satisfaction.
Exactly. The worst kind of satisfaction. You know the best satisfaction should I do? Even do one live and just a laugh.
Precisely so.
Just a laugh.
Just laugh after them. This is it. You can't pay them no mind. With whoever it is that's talking, you don't pay them no mind. You know where you have, you know where you're going, you know where you're coming from. You know what you're doing now. People will always talk.
You should have known better, you know, because them always been talking. Not you.
And look how long you not do a live video.
Exact. Jesus. You know, not enough time I really want to press the live button, Chris, but by the time I press the live button, I remember say, why me I do this? Why me not go pay them people in mind? And furthermore, them are the people when they wait now gone no way.
But the thing is, if you know this, at least look, I don't know who you cuss. I'm gonna care who you cuss. I'm gonna care about the story or whatever. But you know, people will always talk. You're a king. You have the last name of a king.
Ah boy.
You're a king.
Me not go live.
You're royalty.
Jesus Christ.
Your last name says it all.
You know, Chris, me meet one stranger. Exactly, Gary. Me meet one stranger a couple of days ago. One theater producer, and over there we are talking. Me I tell him like, him asking like, oh, the gay scene me at Jamaica, from Jamaica are over here. Me say, you know, to be honest, you know, I'm one of the least favorite gay person ever in Amsterdam. Me say why? Me say, well, me not really know, cause most of them me and them don't really have a problem, but. And you know, out of the blues, the guy just turn up and say because it's a competition. And because them see as a competition, hey Juju, them now go ever like you. And every day, the more them do, the more me believe.
Listen, take it from me. Me's 42. And from my mother push me out, them a talk about me. What you gonna do again? Till the day you're dead, them will always talk.
Oh boy.
Sometimes I know what you say, or what but I know what them say, what you answer to.
Exactly. We should do one live and just a laugh, you know.
Precisely so.
Because when them talk about shit. It not go so. It not
Darling, you not make no money from it. And if no money not in it, it not make no sense.
it not make no sense. Exactly.
This is it. Them talk about me so many times. Some of the things that me just laugh. And me just can't deal. You understand? Even since me there Jamaica, yeah, me hear my name a call. And me just laugh.
Already?
Mm-hmm. 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 And me just laugh. Mm-hmm. Me just laugh. Leave, people will always talk. I mean, just love it. You done say what you say already. And it take two for
No,
tango.
after tonight, me just let it go. Because to be honest here, Chris, to be honest,
Listen,
to be honest,
at
Chris,
the end of the
me
day,
I talk to even though me I argue, like it's like me I feel force